Hi, this is Wilson from Places and Foods. This is Melbourne and this is the popular 12 Apostles at Great Ocean Road. But today, I'm not going to talk about this, but a very popular train. No, this is not the train. This is actually a tram in Melbourne. But I'm going to show you guys the Puffing Billy steam train. The Puffing Billy Railway is a heritage steam railway located in Dandenong Ranges, east of Melbourne, Australia. So what to see at the Dandenong Ranges are the beautiful birds as well as the beautiful forests. I visited the Puffing Billy Railway and it was built in the early 1900s to transport goods and passengers through the mountainous terrains of the Dandenong Ranges. Today it is a living museum and a testament to Australia's railway heritage. The Puffing Billy Railway is a very popular and viral railway. The railway passes through stunning scenery including forests, fern gullies, as well as over bridges and trestle bridges. There are also several stops where you can disembark and explore the area on foot. I must say, riding a steam train is a unique experience that transports you back in time. You can hear to the sound of the whistle and checking on the wheels on the tracks and feel the steam from the locomotive. Puffing Billy is a great activity for families as well as with friends, and that's the reason why it is so popular. Puffing Billy offers a unique and memorable experience that combines history, scenery and adventure, and it is a great activity for families and anyone interested in Australia's railway heritage. And for that reason, I strongly recommend everyone to check out the Puffing Billy Railway, and please book in advance, and the link is at description. You won't regret taking the Puffing Billy Railway, as this is one of its kind, not just in Australia but in the world. Experience Melbourne like you never before with the Puffing Billy Railway, the heritage steam railway located in the Dandenong Ranges east of Melbourne, Australia. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. If any questions, please do comments. Take care everyone and enjoy the Puffing Billy Railway experience in Melbourne, Australia.